What's up, everyone? Doing another trip. I think this is 3 weekends in a row. This one's easy though, it's close by. Time to air down. We're here at Big Bear. We started off at Lytle Creek and now we're here. I'm gonna check out this little creek we got over here. I hear some water. Doesn't look like we can go fishing though. What's up?
What's up, yo? With this infamous, sponsored by Wifey.
Team Battle. You know him.
Nope. Word.
What we got here?
We got this fancy Gucci front runner table here.
Oh yeah, that's only for the rich.
You got this camp stove, dual camp stove. That's it, man.
That's it. That's all you need, right?
That's all you need, man. Stay ready, so you have to get ready. You know. You gotta stay clean. Take care of your gear. Yep, that's it.
Fridge is good to have also. And over here, got Hadouken. Aloha.
Aloha.
Yes, sir.
With them Vogues. Look at them wings. This is a new setup right here. It's got the rad flow. There's a lot going on in there. It's a lot of business. Then over here, we got Fred. Oh, he's also doing some cleaning. Got to keep your gear clean.
Make sure it's nice and clean.
Ready for the next trip, right?
Exactly.
What we got over here, we got the front runner drawer system with a big ass Dometic fridge.
Yep, 75.
Damn, that takes up the whole thing.
It's perfect.